Every component on the Tempo planter is built to ensure the exact same start for each seed, no matter the speed, no matter the field condition. The heart of the Tempo planter is the unique patented Tempo seed meter with PowerShoot technology. The Tempo seed meter uses positive air pressure to make each single seed find its place on the rotating seed disc one by one. When the seed reaches the seed tube, the air pressure is cut off to accurately put the seed into the seed tube. Now, the airflow pressure once again takes full control and shoots the seed down to the soil. Since PowerShoot takes full control of the seed all the way down to the soil, gravity, vibrations, and slopes are removed from the equation. Thereby, speed is not an issue for the Tempo planter. Leaving the short seed tube, each seed is gently received by a stop wheel. This ensures perfect seed placement at selected planting depth. This is PowerShoot, the key to high-speed planting.